you've ever tried to start a brand, a product, or an online business, you've probably asked yourself the same question everyone struggles with. Should I form my LLC first, or should I register my trademark first? It sounds simple, but these two filings protect different parts of your business, and doing them in the wrong order can affect ownership, licensing, taxes, and even your ability to enforce your brand in the future. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to decide which one should come first. We're going to break down how trademarks actually work, how LLC ownership affects your IP rights, what happens if you file under the wrong name, how licensing and asset protection work, and the order attorneys actually recommend for most founders. We'll also look at two tools that make this process a whole lot easier: LegalZoom, which handles trademark searches and registration, and Bizee, which offers free LLC formation so you can secure your legal business identity quickly. Quick note, if you use any of the tools in this video, I may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It helps me keep creating educational content like this. I'm Erin from LLC Deals. Let's get into it. What a trademark actually is. A trademark is basically the legal shield for your brand identity. Your name, your logo, your slogan, the look and feel that customers instantly associate with you. It doesn't protect your idea or your product itself. What it protects is the connection between your brand and the source of that product, which is you. When you file a trademark, the USPTO isn't just checking your exact name. They look for anything that's confusingly similar, spelled differently, pronounced similarly, or used in the same industry. And if someone else is already using something close to your name, your application can get denied. That's why founders try to secure their trademark early before ordering packaging, building a website, or launching a whole marketing campaign around a name that may not be available to protect. But here's where most people get tripped up: ownership. A trademark has to be filed under the correct legal owner, and that owner must already exist at the time you submit the application. So if your LLC doesn't exist yet, the USPTO won't let you list it as the owner. You'd have to file in your personal name, and then later, once your LLC exists, you need to transfer the trademark to your company through a formal assignment. If your LLC does exist, then the LLC should normally be the one filing for the trademark because that keeps your legal structure clean. The business owns the brand, the business enforces the brand, and the business licenses the brand. Filing under the wrong owner does not just make the paperwork messy, it can actually weaken the rights you're trying to secure. A trademark isn't just a creative asset you slap on a logo, it's legal property, and the strength of your protection depends on having the right owner from the very beginning. Once you understand how trademarks interact with your business entity, it becomes way easier to decide which filings should come first: forming the LLC or locking down your brand name. What an LLC actually is. An LLC is really the legal foundation of your business. It separates you as a person from your company, so your personal assets aren't on the line if something goes wrong. Once your LLC is formed, it becomes its own legal person. It can own property, sign contracts, get paid, hire people, and take on liability completely separate from you. And this is usually the entity that ends up owning your intellectual property, your trademark, your copyrights, your patents, all the valuable parts of your brand. But here's the important part: that clean ownership structure only works if the LLC actually exists before you file the trademark, or if you correctly transfer the trademark to the LLC later. If you file the trademark before forming the LLC, you automatically become the first legal owner of the mark. And that's not wrong. A lot of people do it. It just means there's an extra step later. You'll have to assign the trademark to your LLC through a formal USPTO assignment. That assignment has to be drafted correctly, filed correctly, and documented correctly so your chain of ownership stays intact. Because if the chain breaks at any point, it can weaken your rights. If your LLC already exists, then it's usually best to just file the trademark in the LLC's name from the start. That gives you the cleanest structure for long-term long-term brand protection, licensing, Amazon brand registry, and even selling your business later. Think of it like this: the LLC is your foundation, the trademark is the brand identity you place on top of that foundation. When they're aligned from day one, everything downstream, contracts, licensing, enforcement, growth becomes so much easier. So which one comes first? It really depends on your timeline. If you urgently need to protect the brand name, you might file the trademark first. If you want perfect ownership from the beginning, you form the LLC first. The right move depends on what you're trying to protect right now: the brand, the business structure, or both. Before you decide, what must be understood? Before deciding whether to form an LLC first or file a trademark first, there are several principles that shape the decision. The first is ownership. The trademark owner listed in the application must match the entity actually using the brand. If you apply under your personal name, but your LLC later uses the trademark name, you must complete a formal assignment transferring ownership to the LLC. Mistakes in this process can damage your trademark rights. The second principle is licensing. Only the legal owner of a trademark can license it. If you own the trademark personally, but your LLC is selling the product, your LLC technically needs a license agreement from you. Many founders skip this and later discover gaps in their trademark protection, especially when applying for Amazon brand registry or attempting to sell their business. The third is asset protection. Some entrepreneurs prefer to keep intellectual property in a separate holding company while the operating LLC handles day-to-day business activities. This structure only works if the entity intended to hold the IP exists before the trademark is filed, which may justify filing the trademark first under the holding company. The fourth is timing. Trademark registration is slow, often taking 8 to 12 months. LLC formation is fast, often completed in a day. The final principle is identity consistency. Every part of your business identity, your LLC name, your trademark owner name, your website footer, your contract, and your seller accounts should align. If any of these differ, enforcement becomes harder, licensing becomes messy, and institutions start questioning who actually owns your brand. Understanding these concepts give you the clarity to choose the right order for your filings based on your goals, risk tolerance, and timing needs. When you open LegalZoom's trademark service, the very first thing you'll see is a headline that sets the tone for the entire process. Avoid costly conflicts with a trademark search, and honestly, that's exactly what most founders miss. People rush into filing without checking whether the name is already taken, and that's the fastest way to get rejected or forced into a rebrand. LegalZoom breaks its trademark services into 3 tiers, and each one corresponds to a deeper level of risk protection. $199 for a comprehensive federal trademark search, $299 for a combined federal and state search, $899 for full service attorney-guided registration. These tiers matter because they reflect how much uncertainty you want to eliminate. The searches go far beyond typing your name into Google. LegalZoom checks USPTO records, phonetic equivalents, similar spellings, and even common law usage, meaning names that are used in commerce but never officially registered. That's the stuff that blocks applications all the time, and most business owners would never know those conflicts exist. From there, LegalZoom shows you the bigger intellectual property ecosystem they support. Things like trademark registration, trademark monitoring, copyright filings, and even patent services. This is helpful because a lot of founders aren't just protecting a name, they're building a full brand identity with multiple assets. Seeing all the IP tools together helps you understand how trademark protection fits into the overall business formation process. LegalZoom also makes a point to compare their attorney-assisted filings to competitors. The biggest mistakes founders make happen in the application itself. Listing the wrong owner, picking the wrong classes, writing unclear descriptions, or choosing the wrong filing basis can cause long delays or even weaken your trademark rights. Their guided service is designed to prevent those mistakes before the application ever reaches the USPTO. Then they walk you through how the process works. It's broken down into 4 simple steps. Number 1, you tell them the name or logo you want to protect. 2, they run the comprehensive conflict search. Number 3, they send you a detailed report clearly showing any risks. Number 4, you decide whether to file and whether to use their attorney support. LegalZoom takes a complicated legal process and turns it into something guided, predictable, and built to protect you from the biggest risks founders face when filing trademarks on their own. If you decide the LLC should come first, Bizee is one of the easiest ways to get that done because they let you form your company for basically $0 plus your state fee, and the whole experience feels really simple. When you land on their homepage, they immediately guide you through choosing your state and your entity type. It seems like a small step, but it actually matters a lot because whatever name and details you enter in your articles of organization become the exact identity your trademark will reference later. That's the official legal name the USPTO expects to see, so getting it right from the start keeps everything cleaner. Once you move forward, Bizee includes all the core documents you need for a real functioning business. Your articles, your operating agreement, your EIN, everything that proves your LLC exists as a separate legal entity. These documents are what you'll eventually use when your LLC takes ownership of your trademark. And because Bizee stores everything neatly in your dashboard, you are not hunting through files when it's time to apply. You can just open it up, copy the info you need, and file your trademark with complete accuracy. One of the biggest perks with Bizee is just how fast everything gets formed. Your LLC can be up and running in a matter of a day, and that speed gives you an advantage. You can file your trademark immediately under the correct owner instead of filing under your personal name and then doing assignments later. It keeps your chain of ownership clean and saves you a lot of legal headaches down the line. It's simple, it's fast, and it keeps everything organized, which is exactly what you want when you're about to start building a brand on top of your legal structure. Pros and cons of trademark first versus LLC first. This is the point where everything comes together because choosing whether to file a trademark first or form an LLC first is ultimately a strategic decision. Filing the trademark first makes sense when your brand identity is the most urgent priority. If you are still deciding on your LLC name, if you are unsure whether you want a holding company, or if you want to secure the brand before announcing it publicly, filing early can lock in protection. Many founders also choose this approach when they fear someone else might secure the name first, or when they are testing multiple business models but want one consistent brand umbrella. The drawback is that the trademark will be owned by you personally until you formally assign it to the LLC later, which requires an extra step. Forming the LLC first makes sense when the business itself is already active or when you want clean, immediate ownership of your intellectual property from the first day. If you need limited liability immediately, plan to enter contracts, or intend to license or franchise your brand later, forming the LLC first gives you a stable legal structure to file the trademark under. This approach keeps all ownership consistent from the start. The downside is that forming the LLC first does not guarantee the trademark will be available. If the LLC name is available at the state level, but the trademark is not available at the federal level, you may have to rebrand, refiling your LLC name, or operating under a different brand name. There is no universal right answer. The correct order depends entirely on what you need protection for right now: your brand, your business, or both. Understanding the strategic implications give you clarity about which path supports your long-term plans. Ownership, licensing, and asset protection rules. The part most founders never hear is that the sequence of filings matters far less than the structure behind them. You can form your LLC first or file your trademark first, but the real protection comes from ensuring the trademark is owned by the entity actually using the brand in commerce. If your LLC is the one selling the products or services, then the LLC should eventually own the trademark. If you plan to build a more advanced structure where a holding company owns your intellectual property and an operating company runs the business, then the holding company should be the trademark owner and the operating company should license the brand from it. This is how sophisticated entrepreneurs and larger companies protect their assets. A holding company owns the trademark, the copyrights, and the other valuable IP. The operating LLC is the entity that interacts with customers, manages employees, signs contracts, and carries the liability. The operating company pays a licensing fee to the holding company, creating a clean and defensible structure where risk and value are separated. If something goes wrong in the operating business, the intellectual property remains protected in within the holding company. You can only structure your business this way if you understand who should legally own the trademark before you file. Filing under the wrong owner or failing to assign the trademark correctly can weaken your rights, complicate enforcement, and limit future licensing opportunities. This is why the order of filings matter. It shapes tax treatment, liability exposure, enforcement strength, and long-term scalability. A business built with the right ownership structure from the beginning has far more protection and flexibility than one built reactively. Starting a business means protecting both your identity and your brand, and deciding whether to form your LLC first or file your trademark first shapes that entire protection strategy. If your priority is securing your brand name before going public, start with a trademark search and registration through LegalZoom. If your priority is building a clean legal foundation and structuring ownership correctly, form your LLC first through Bizee. Either path works as long as you follow the ownership rules that keep your IP enforceable and your business protected. Some links may be affiliate links at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me continue creating deep dive educational content for business owners like you. If this video helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.